So what I am trying to say, the first job is to identify the antigen and then to eliminate the antigen. Now how it will do it? So for doing this, there is, for example, can you tell me what in proper grammar complement means? Complement means something which help you. For example, you have a very good friend who always helps you by giving you note and then saying what to read and what not to read. So what she is doing with you, she is doing some complement work to you, so that your work becomes easy. So here also, see very clearly, here also there is a particular protein. Now here you see where the protein is binding. Can you remember? This we call Fc region. Fc means it is fragment crystallizable, not directly functioned for antigen binding, but it has plenty of different functions. Okay, you know some functions, but this is also a very important function. You should always remember. Now these are complement proteins. Okay, so these are complement proteins. Okay, and these complement proteins, what they do, they bind at the Fc region of the, so we can write, so what is the function of the complement protein? Very important, to bind with the Fc region of antibody which have identified the target. Now target is nothing but the cell. Okay, so what is the function of the complement? Now complement proteins will bind at the Fc region of the antibody which have identified the target, and then start mechanism. Acha, now here I must say one more thing. Now once the binding takes place, this binding is called, wait, this, okay, now this binding is called complement fixation. Very important, complement fixation. Okay, so I'll get back once again. What is this? So the Fc region, on the Fc region the complement protein has bound, and this bounding is called complement fixation. Then start the mechanism leading to destruction of the identified target. Destruction of the identified target. Okay, now how how it will do destroy? How the destruction? By producing cell membrane damaging action through proteins like perforins. Very important, perforins. Now here you see we started where and we ended up where. So this is very important. So please go through what we tried to tell you, that once the complement fixation is done, now this is the fixation. Okay, on the tail all the complement proteins has come and bound. So why they have come and bound? Because they need to destroy this cell. Now how they will destroy it? These complement proteins will make something called perforins. Okay, and then what will happen, you know? Okay, no, just hold on. Now these are the, what, you know, these are the activity. So these complement proteins will target and destroy the target by making pores on the cell membrane. Okay, by making pores on the cell membrane. Understood? So if pores are made on the cell membrane, what will happen? Can you tell me? Who can tell me? So what is happening? What is happening? The cell is getting leaked, isn't it? Now here you see. So what I have said that the complement fixation is done. Now after the complement fixation, what will happen? The complement protein will target the target cell. Now how they will do it? By destroying the target cell. How it will destroy the target cell? By making things called perforins. Now perforins are what? Perforins are nothing but small proteins which will make holes in the cell membrane. See, holes are getting made, and ultimately what will happen? The cell will, or the target cell will die. Okay, the target will die. Understood? So here now we come back here. Okay, this is our background information all over again from beginning. So this is a donor cell, this is a recipient cell. We do not know what exactly is going on, but we added an antibody which is from the donor cell. Okay, so after that, if the antigen is both present, what will happen? All the antibody will bind on the surface, here also, here also. But since it is different, so here there is no what we call binding. Now these antibodies are there. Now what we are adding? We are adding complement. Now what are the complement? Whenever complements are there, see here, the complement proteins will bind on the Fc region here, and then try to disintegrate it. Getting? So the cell becomes leaky. Can you see? The cell becomes leaky. Why the cell becomes leaky? Due to this. Okay, because these complement proteins had made some kind of pores or channels on the cell membrane through making the perforin proteins, and therefore what will happen? The cell becomes leaky. But here there is no lysis. Okay, there is no what? Lysis, isn't it? Why there is no lysis? Because the perforins are not made, the complements has not yet been bound here. Okay, now next what you will do is, everything is taking place inside the test tube only. In the next step, what you will do is, we will add one particular dye. Okay, see the name of the dye, trypan blue or yosin Y. These are the, what do you call, dye that we should put into the test tube, both the test tubes. Now here there is a very interesting feature. Now consider this is your trypan blue. Okay, now this is your trypan blue. Okay, just 1 second. Now this is your trypan blue. Consider that you are having two different kinds of cell. Okay, like this. Oh no, wait. So there are two cells. Okay, here you see the cell is membrane is destroyed, here the cell membrane is intact. Now you add this trypan blue here also, this one also, and in this one also. Okay, now the stain will go inside this, but here the stain will not go, and therefore the cell which was been seen, so what will happen? What will happen? Isn't it? Here it will be like this. Are you getting? But here, since the dye cannot enter into the cell remains intact. Understood? Here you see dye taken up, but here dye excluded, because it was, the cell was like this. So till now you did not know that the surface antigens are different, but after seeing the result only, please understand, after seeing the result only, you understand that the dye has not been taken up in this case. So if this is the case, what does it mean? It means that the surface antigens are not